Hi, Colton. You're getting so close. I know, you're just gonna roll over. 3 months today, and he's so close.
Where is he?
There he is, Dylan. You see him in the camera? Oh. Puss!
What's that?
Oh, don't put your finger there, sweetie. Can you talk to Colton? Hi! Hi, sweet boy. Oh, yeah? Kick. You keep working on it. One day you're gonna roll over. Yes, you are. Your breath is loud.